Okay, this is a piezoelectric crystal. I have looped it to the microphone using the TRRS pin, and the sound that you're hearing is from the speaker of my laptop. And even place it on surfaces, and then you can get a feedback on that. Or hello, hello, hello. Yeah, get feedback of your voice as well. Okay, in this I've taken the output from the TRS pin and given it to the LM324, and then the output from the LM324 goes to the piezoelectric crystal, and which you can use as a bone conduction earphone. And there's a song playing in the background, and it lacks stereo, but it still works fine. Okay, in this video, in the placeholder of the LDR, I have connected a piezo. The feedback electrode of the piezo is left unconnected for now, and let's see what happens. The sound that you hear is coming from my laptop because the module is connected to via TRRS to the laptop via the mic. But if I really, all this sound is coming because of I believe the resistance changed in the piezo, but when I release this, it makes this weird sound. So as if like it's discharging of some sort. So that's about it. That's piezo with Draudio.